guys, welcome back to my channel right here. And as you can see from the title, it's the end of the day. I have my curlers on, no makeup on, and basically it's 10 p.m. So we're gonna test out a soap, this is the CIAO Rose beauty soap that has been squandering online, and I want to test it out for myself. Yes, but before we go with all of that zazz, I want to remind you to give this video a thumbs up, of course subscribe and be part of this insane squad we have here, and of course if you are subscribed, thanks for loving and supporting this video. So you can ring those notification bells so you will be notified with all of the pizzazz that is happening in this platform. But of course, I have the soap right here. It looks like this. I have found this on my department store, which shocked me because I thought we haven't got it in here. I know we have this online and it has to be shipped, but when I found this in the department store, my sister is like shrieking because she is kind of a skincare junkie herself, and she said that this is an awesome product and there's a lot of product that she is recommending for the skin. So if you want her to have some videos on that, comment down below because why not. But I have it here. This is actually really affordable, to be honest. I was shocked because online the price of this is like so much higher. But I found this in our department store and it's only 99 pesos, which is so awesome. In online, I guess this is like 150, and that's so much higher than any other. But yeah, I have it here. Everything is in Japanese, but this is a product of Japan, of course. We all know how the skin goes in there. But it is 100% pure cow's milk with the rose scent and squalene for deep moisturizing effect. Now, I know that my skin needs the freaking moisture right now. If you can zoom into my face, like everything in my face is like so freaking dry. I have dry patches everywhere, and I don't know, my hair, my nails, my skin, my lips is all dry. Maybe it's because it's so cold here in the Philippines at this time of the month, but yeah, so it is said to have that squalene for moisturizing effect, and this is 100 grams. So I'm gonna have zoom-ins of this so you can see how this looks like, but it's not that big. And this has another soap that is color blue. I believe it's jasmine. I didn't pick that up. Lazy crazy me, but yeah, I have this here and we're gonna open her up, and the soap looks like this. Before we go down, and it says that if you're using this just yourself, it can last you for 2 months. That is crazy, especially for the price. It smells like Safeguard for some reason, but it looks like that. It has a cow. I'm gonna have a zoom in of that, but we're gonna try this out for ourselves downstairs. I'm gonna have one of my sisters to videotape everything, and we'll see if it does something to our dry skin. But okay, so I have this. My sisters are making it so awkward for me, but I'm not filming with my camera. I'm actually filming with my phone. But here is the soap right here. The instruction says to lather it up on your hands before you put it in your face. So let's gather up the soap here. So we're gonna put this on our face because how's it looking there? My god. My sister's like, what are you doing? My sister says it's foamy, but the one holding the camera is not speaking to me, so you know. It smells like Safeguard. Like I don't smell the rose scent of this at all. I just don't. And I know we're gonna say that I have mascara on my eyes, but I'm sorry, it's hard to remove. So just slathering it up on my face. I hope the lighting is good. Let me wash my face because it started to itch around my nose, and sometimes it indicates that it has something harsh because it's itchy. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. Okay, so how does it look like? Do I have some changes on my skin?
It's bright.
You guys. Oh, it looks much brighter.
It's the same.
It's the same? What the hell? I think it feels a bit firmer and a bit much cleaner than it was a while ago. But I have this itchy nose in here, so I don't like that. It feels like it's burning on the sides of my nose, but yeah, that's it. So let's go upstairs.
Okay, so
Oh my god, my voice. I've lost the voice footage of this, which is the craziest thing. But I went upstairs and now you see on my screen I kind of have still bothered by that itchy sensation on the nose right there, and I'm looking at my face for dry patches because I know that my face is so dry at that moment. But yeah, so I zoomed you guys in, and as you can see, the dry patches is still there and my nose is a bit red. But I've been using this for a couple of weeks now, and I can say that it is a great soap to have. Actually, it's really moisturizing for your skin. It's not that harsh. Finding it on first use, I thought it was, but yeah, I guess it's an awesome soap to have. I think I'm gonna buy it again. So yeah, basically I'm just saying that, you know, click the subscribe button, like and subscribe, of course, and you know, ring the notification bell. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys on my next